a missing person. Her case was reclassified as a property.
Oh, this is my crazy cat.
Detectives learned that the day before Jeff saw Kimberly, a burnt-out car was found near a campground in the Angeles forest.
The fire was started in the passenger compartment, on the passenger side of the front seat. We were able to determine that the front seat was pulled forward in a position that would be as if she drove to that location.
They found a charred spiral notebook in the car. It belonged to Kimberly Pandelios. After running a DMV check on the plates, the police were able to contact Kimberly's husband, who had already reported his wife missing.
Are you really on YouTube?
Yes.
Police notebook under a nearby bridge. It was Kimberly's day runner, but it did.
Coke, dope, crack, smack, coke, dope, crack, smack, coke, dope, crack, smack, eat, coke, dope, crack, smack, coke,
That is that freaking crazy cat.